All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. So we got wax removal. As you can see, the cleaners put a topical treatment on here, which is they put some kind of mop and glow or quick shine. As you can see, that is not going to floors. So we're removing this wax. And again, just a reminder, guys, the reason why the wax on your floors doesn't, like right here, see this here? The reason why it doesn't hold up is because the over-the-counter products like Quick Shine, Mop and Glow, all those type of things for $9.99 at Walmart or Home Depot doesn't cure. Similarly, like your polyurethane, that is a hard polymer. So that's designed to be very hard, right? That's why you can walk on it, you know, do all kinds of things on it and it's gonna hold up. But this right here never cures. So that's why you see scratches, things like that, because it's soft, it will make marks, guys. And I always try to educate you guys on why it does that. So even though it may temporarily look shiny or clean, it's a lie, it does not. It's garbage. It's actually for no wax floors. They just market hardwood floors because they can. You can just see, guys, close up. See all that stuff? That should not be in your hardwood, because polyurethane floors, sealed floors, aluminum oxide floors don't do that. If your hardwood's already sealed, only thing you need to do is a clean and buff or a screen and recoat, where we resurface, abrade your top surface, remove the old contaminants and poly, and reapply new. That's our dustless process. The reason why it's dustless, because we don't sand, we just abrade it, okay? Taking off the protection, not the wood. Now, if it is beyond abrading, if it's beyond a screen and recoat, such as you have water damage issues, you want to change the color or sun fading, then at that course you need a full sand. But we have other videos that explain that process, but in this case, we're just doing a wax removal, which we did a demo a couple weeks ago. As you can see here, look at this demo, guys. See that little spot right there? Let me get back so the camera can see it. So you can see that right there? That told us that there's wax on the floor. And that's the original, that's a better view. That's the original look of the floor. But we're gonna abrade that once we remove this makeup, so to speak. And then we're gonna apply 2 coats of polyurethane with satin sheen. So again, guys, that's what we're doing today. Hope that educated you. And just look at this here, guys. See all those abrasions? Like right there. It's just horrible, man. This stuff is so horrible for your floors, but that's where AO comes in. We're gonna take care of it for them. So if you guys have this issue where you have, smudges and smears in your hardwood, most of the time it's wax. That stuff needs to come off, and then we need to abrade it, resurface it, or clean and buff it, and then get it back to the original state. Again, guys, hope that added value to you. Hope that educated you. And if, again, this is your floors and you have this issue, give AO a call. We got you covered. Before you refloor it, let AO restore it. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're applying the emulsifier now. Stay tuned for some awesome results. We're gonna let this emulsify, and then we can break the bond and agitate it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're agitating it. It's suspending and emulsifying the acrylic wax now, as you guys can see. It's going good. Then we're going to extract it. And it's going to look good. So far, so good, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, dirty water dump. Look at that. Oh, yo, let's go. All right, guys, little update. We already moved all the wax and emulsified it, which is good. Now that semi-gloss is no longer, Now what you see is the original state is the satin sheen, but because when those products are on there, it's vulnerable. A lot of those things wore off, as you guys can see. That's why we always recommend a screen and recoat after we remove your wax. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna braid it at 2 coats of polyurethane satin sheen for the win, and it's gonna look beautiful, guys. Stay tuned. Look forward to showing you the results. All right, guys, moving right along. You guys can see it's braiding really well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're applying our preparatory product to make sure that all waxes, residue, contaminants are off the floor. We're tacking the floors now. It's a beautiful thing. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. All right, guys, that's the first coat. It will flash off to a satin. It looks good. All right, guys, we're applying the poly now, first coat. Going down good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we already polyed that and that. We're gonna finish this up. Stay tuned. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube, that's the first coat. We're gonna come back in about 3 hours and then put a second coat on. But yeah, guys, that's a wrap. Again, it's gonna flash off to a satin sheen, but guys, these floors are gonna look absolutely phenomenal. Stay tuned. We're still waiting on this area to dry, but it's dry in other places. We'll probably have another half hour before it fully dries, and then we start laying another coat. So probably won't be done until about 8:30. It's pretty though. All right, guys, look at these beautiful floors. Satin sheen. Absolutely stunning, guys. Check it out. Even the dog likes it. Yeah. Client's gonna love it. Wow. All right, guys, second coat of poly. As you guys see, it's going on good. All right, guys, we just got finished up with the second coat of poly. These floors turned out absolutely phenomenal. They're gonna be great. The client's gonna love it when she gets back and sees it. The husband actually saw it, he loved it. But yeah, guys, this is gonna do it. It looks shiny now, but remember, it's gonna flash off to a satin sheen after the water evaporates, and it's gonna be the win. So again, guys, you need this service, reach out, 618-593-8102. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. All right, guys, right here at AOCleaning. I'm with one of my clients, Jenna. Her and her husband, Ryan, found me by referral by Amanda and Jason that we did their floors not too long ago. And we came and did their floors last couple days. And they're so excited to tell you the results of their overall experience with AOCleaning. And Jenna wants to leave us a testimonial. Here she is.
Hi, my name is Jenna. I recently was referred to AOCleaning by a coworker who had their floors redone. Was really impressed with the results. They came out, gave us an estimate, was extremely efficient. Would highly recommend. They completed a wax removal on our floors, as well as a screen and recoat. Saved us a lot of money, avoiding the full resand. Extremely professional and would highly recommend.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that testimonial, Jenna. And guys, if you need our service, please reach out. Happy to take care of you.